Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. In this video, we will work on Add to Cart functionality, where user can add products in the cart easily by clicking on Buy button. Let's get started now. As we are in the same file, Show Products, let's create a method below of use effect. I'll name the method HandleBuyNow. This method will have params as in product, or we can name that params as selected product, and the type will be as any. Let's call that method in our Buy Now button. Then on click action, we will make an anonymous method here, and in that anonymous method, we will call our method and pass the whole product object here. So what will happen here? When user click on one of the product from UI, that product will be passed to that method, and we will save that product to local storage. Let's get back to the HandleBuy method now. We will create a variable existing products which will hold our local storage added products if there are any products in local storage. By getting all products which user added in the cart, we will stop user to add the same product again in the cart by matching the ID of available products in the cart with the product user selected. If we got the match, we will show alert to user as product is already in the cart or something. Else we will get all the available products from cart and store it in local storage with user selected product every time in JSON.stringify form. After that, we will show an alert to the user as the product is added in the cart now or something. Alright, our method to add products in the cart is ready now. Let's test it out in the browser now. Click on Products page. Open Inspect and click on Application, and after that click on Local Storage now. Alright, now clicked on one of the product, Buy Now button. As you can see, we have the product in the local storage. Great. Let's add some more products. Let's click on Already Added Product. As you can see, we have an alert which show the product is already added. Also in local storage, we don't have any entry. Alright, we have set Add to Cart functionality. In next video, we will work on showing added product count in the cart icon and sidebar, which will work live. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!